This is a COSTWAY dryer, and we got it for our RV. We got it in our garage right now because we wanted to see how it was going to do, and it seems to be doing fine. Now, as you can see here, it has the different control panels, and what I noticed is that you go ahead, you hit the start button, and then you hit the blue button, and it lights up for both. The temperature is 140 Fahrenheit, and it goes about an hour. For a full load in a regular washer, you just need half of that load to put in here because it does half a load. And with that half a load, it goes like an hour. And then I found that my towels need to go a little bit more, like an hour and 15 minutes, which isn't bad. And I think it's very efficient, and I think it's good. I think it's a very good product. And as you can see, I do have clothing in here now. Let me stop it. I do have clothing in here, and I got my husband's jeans and so forth and everything in here. And back here, it has the filter, and the filter can be taken out, you know, as needed. Well, after every use. Also, let me show you again. You hit that button there, hit the blue button, it lights up, then you hit the start. And then what I like about this is it controls the temp, and it's really silent. I think it's a good product. I'm very, very impressed. Enjoy.
Como podemos ver, la ropa la acabo de sacar de la lavadora. Son 2 toallas. Está mojada. La vamos a poner a secar. Vamos a prender. Ahí va a marcar 1 hora. A 1 hora.
This dryer is amazing. I got this washing machine to go along with it. Highly recommend this too. It's a pretty good amount of clothes in it, I must say. Just make sure you don't put too much in or you'll be waiting for a while, or you'll end up with wrinkly clothes, but it's not bad at all. This is the lint trap back here. As you can see, it does its job, and then there's the other piece to it. This gets everything that doesn't. Very easy to use. So worth the purchase for this peace of mind. Now I don't have to leave my house in winter anymore. Definitely recommend it.
So here's the dryer. I just got done drying some clothes, and they're dry. I can actually put them in for a little longer. So power, and I'll just push that. So it's pretty quiet. I have the indoor venting system, and I've attached it to the dryer here with a little sticky tab so that it wouldn't, if the dryer happened to be or making noise or whatever. But that's the dryer. So I'm really happy with it. I can also open the window and vent it out, but right now, since it's cold outside, I'm using the heat from the dryer to warm the house.
I got my COSTWAY dryer. Got a washer down there too. I would suggest that you all buy the better vent as well. For me, I live in an apartment complex, so it makes a difference. Very deep inside. Bigger than what I expected. I have used the dryer multiple times already. And then, as they mentioned, there's a vent in the back. You can clean this. The filter is on the inside. Okay, let's put this right here. Look at that. I used the dryer a couple times, so the filtration system is great. For such a little dryer, you wouldn't think all this lint would come out of there. I'm actually gonna dump that. But, great dryer. Awesome review!
Okay, here's the dryer. As you can see, it shows the flashing. All right, it's on. I can see if I can change. It does show that it can make the switch to whatever mode we want. So in that part, it's working fine in this area. I mean, I think it's just when you, let's do some extra. It's not heating up. It's the air, it's cold. this is turning. I will pause. And yes, it seems like it's this part is working okay. It's just that okay, cold air. Well, it's not warm, right? Air. Yeah. Well, basically it's just that it's not heating up.
Right here. I'm going to take my finger off and hear the noise again.
Okay, so I am reviewing this COSTWAY portable dryer. I just got through spinning everything out of my portable washing machine because in my building we don't have a washer and dryer hookup. So that's why I bought a portable one. But I love it. As you can see, this is the amount of space. Now my washing machine is 17-pound capacity. So this is a 13-pound capacity. So you can do the math, you know. So I think it has a good amount of space, you know, for what it's worth. You can't see in there though, but it's okay. Then there's the power button. And I want to put it on 1 hour and 140 degrees. So then I just press that and then press play. Wait a few seconds. And then it starts up. And then you do have to vent it outside. Like I vent mine outside the window because you don't want all that heat and stuff getting inside your house.